let me see you do it. Now these oils, I like to lube these up. It makes the install not only on the tubes easier, but when you're doing the adjustments on the push rods, it makes it slide up and down a lot easier. Just regular motor oil. Let's get them all lubed up. Alright. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Leave this up just a hair. Because it makes life easier, trust me. Trust me. Okay, that's done. So it's the collar, spring, washer, and then O-ring. Okay? And this goes like this. Boom. Okay? Boom. 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 Done. And we get our push rods. Depending on what push rods you have, these are the Screaming Eagles. Luckily they're marked. Intake, exhaust, intake, exhaust. So keep that in mind.